Thank you for buying this 15667 water distiller from Fixture Displays. This machine comes well packaged and help you produce distilled water for a variety of uses. These are all the parts and instruction sheet. Lemon acid for cleaning, the cooler and boiler sections, along with the 1 gallon tank, cables, and hardware attachments. To begin, we want to install the nozzle into this housing area. Stick the plate in, push, and then snap into place. This is where water would discharge. It's made from stainless steel material, and it sits on top. The connection cable goes to the left-hand side, and the power cable goes to the right-hand side. And further right is the on-off button to turn on and off the machine. The machine shuts down automatically after water is done or empty. And there's a reset button on the other side to restart the process. This is the reset button. In other words, after the automatic shut off, when you fill water up for next round of distilling, you can press this and the machine will turn on. If you have any questions, let us know. CS the Charlie Sam at fixturedisplays.com. There is a max line right here. You should not fill water exceeding that line for your safety. And this worked with 110 to 120 volts. Now this collection container, you can use this nozzle. You can also use your office 5-gallon tank to catch the distilled water. And later on, I'm going to show you, we also supply and sell a soft tube to make that easier. Dimensions of this unit is about 10 inches in diameter for the distiller, and height is about 15 inches tall. For exact measurements, please review the listing description. The water drips in about 30 minutes after the water is boiled, and the entire 1 gallon, this one batch, takes about 3.5 hours, give or take a few. You could position this distiller closer to a faucet or a hose to make it convenient for refill. It does make, the fan does make a certain sound. It's not a roaring sound, but it is very much there. So if the sound bothers you, keep that in a quiet area or corner in your office or your home. Now this nozzle area, we're going to connect it to a tube. The tube is sold separately, and you can find this tube by searching 10122 on fixturedisplays.com. So this allows you to position your 1 gallon tank, or preferably, in my opinion, a bigger tank if your usage is high. For example, if you are filling this for your forklift, electric forklift, then you want a container that is of some capacity so you can get one fill done with one bucket. I also find it helpful if you put the distiller on a shelf to get it away from people walking back and forth. You can search 10042 to purchase a shelf from us. You can also search 15635 for a bracket and then make your own shelf. The cleaning agent is lemon acid. You can use other acid or even household vinegar to do the same job. After a few uses, you're going to start to see buildup, and that's when you want to consider cleaning for better efficiency and also better taste of the water. Now bear in mind your initial few uses, if you plan to drink, is going to have a little bit new machine smell, but it's going to go away fairly quickly. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.